All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 7, which is one of the 1975 Topps card boxes. So we'll check the time, December 28th at 5:23 p.m. I'm gonna go over to the we'll call the raffle and type live, and we have December 28th at 5:23 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joe. Spot 5 is our winner. So, Joe, you have the option of me opening this box tonight or giving it to you sealed. There's our verification code and our timestamp. And once again, December 28th, 5:24 p.m.